and love, and welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Guys, amazing to be in the kitchen giving you a favorite recipe. Anyway, I have some, you know what? Hold on first, guys. Hold on. Anyway, I have some ginger. This is some root ginger. Alright? I'm gonna put it first thing in the blender. The root ginger. Alright? Secondly, I got some lemon. I'm gonna use half a lemon. Straight inside of it like this. And I have some green grape right here. Alright, look at this. Alright. You don't need no water, guys, honestly. Just gonna blend it. Hopefully this blender can work it, you know what I mean? Got some blender. It's a good blender, but we're gonna see still what's gonna happen right here. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, guys. Now, as I said, I didn't put no water. I just want to get the juice from it. Let's blend it, that's it. Nice one. So that's what I need just to get it blend like that. So it works. Alright, let's strain it. Alright. So this is what I can do early in the morning before, you know what I mean, you eat your breakfast, or you know, just some ideas for you guys. You guys can definitely do this one at home. Alright. So this is just natural. When I said natural, I mean natural green grape juice. So I'm just gonna simply strain it and get all of that liquid from it. Nice. See that? Look at that. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Now, it's just amazing, guys. It's just so fantastic. Loving and that's nice. You know, it's just amazing to know what you can do at home with natural ingredients. Now, it's time for us to shear it up, you know what I mean? Can share it up with some ice. Look at that. Oh, beautiful one, guys. Lovely, nice and simple. All right, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Let's put some some. Yes, exactly, 100%. Thank you so much for tuning into Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. The team please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. As I said, we have thousands of recipes, guys, for you. I mean thousands of recipes, and that's just straight green grape juice. No water, no sugar, no honey, no nothing. Just drink that natural early in the morning. You're good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo team, and I love every one of you, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes. Bye bye.